Hey there, my name's Mike and I'm on Keto, microwave keto. Well, this one requires no cooking, zero carb alert. Here it is. Italian salami, Bridgeford. You have 0 carbs per serving, and each serving is 7 slices of this yummy salami. So this is quick, easy, keep it in the car, put it in your lunch, throw it in a salad, wrap it up with some cheese, and you have 11 grams of fat and only 6 grams of protein. So those numbers, those percentages are perfect for keto. That's it, right there. 0 carbs. Have an awesome day.